Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of the DaVinci Resolve Essential tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 14, which is going to be the last chapter of this whole tutorial. Okay, so here I'll be showing you guys once you're done with each and everything, okay, how you can actually export your footage. Okay, I'll be telling you guys about the delivery page, which is there at the last. Once you're done with each and everything, manage each and everything out here. Okay, now you just want to export it. I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So let's not waste time and let's get started on exporting the footage in the DaVinci Resolve. So here, as you guys can see, now again, I'm back at my same workspace. Okay, in last class, I have showed you guys about the basic color correction. So here you guys can see this is the original footage which I have here in the source panel. And this is what I have color corrected. Okay, so this one gives you a warm view, but here I have just decreased the temperature, work with the midtone and so many things. So here you guys can basically see the difference. Okay, so now here we'll be learning about how you can export. So once you are done with each and everything, all the steps which you need to do, all the audios you have managed, and now you're going to the deliver option right over here. Okay, so once you go to your deliver page, okay, you guys can see I do have different options right over here. Okay, so from here, I will be able to change the name. If I want it to be saved in a particular place, I can come here in the browse option and it will take me directly to my system from where I can actually save it according to my liking at which part do I want to save it. And after that, there are different formats which I can follow. Okay, H.264 is basically the MP4 version. Okay, you guys can use and make sure that you remember that one if you want to save your image or your footage in a MP4 version. Okay, you can choose the resolution, the frame rate over here. Okay, and lot of the advanced settings. So if you do have a subtitle in your video, in that case you can come here in the subtitle settings and put those according to yourself. Okay, so once you're done with that, okay, once you have selected each and everything, what you can do is you can come here and just add your particular footage in the render queue. Okay, so for me, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this in H.264 version over here. Okay, so as I already do have this thing over here, suppose you want to upload your video directly to your YouTube channel. So first off, you guys need to click over here, select the format, and you guys can actually save it in your system, or you guys can directly upload to YouTube. So for that, you just need to click on this one. You guys can add a title, a description, okay, and what kind of category do you want to put your video to? Okay, is it a music video, or is it a sports related, or a film and animation? You guys can choose over here as well. Okay, if you want to upload any thumbnail to that, you guys can also upload a thumbnail to that. For that, you just need to click over here and you guys can select the thumbnail path from here as well. So once you're done with this thing, suppose I will just name this one as export. Okay, so I will name this one at export. I'll come here in the browse option. And what I want to do is I want to save this thing here in my download. So I will just save that over here. And now what I'll do is I'll add this thing to my render queue. Okay, so here, as you guys can see, I have added this part here in my render queue, and I can add so many footages at the same time. Okay, we might have different timelines. So according to that, I can actually render so many timelines over here, and after that I can just click on this option, render all, and it will just render it all for me. Okay, so it might take some time for rendering, and I'll show you guys once I do have that in my system. So I will just render it over here. So here, as you guys can see, now I am done rendering this video. Okay, so it failed to upload because I don't have my YouTube channel linked over here. If you do have your Vimeo account or Twitter, TikTok, if you wanna upload it there as well, okay, from here you guys can actually do that from here. Okay, so just let's come to my system over here and we can just play this thing over here. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the final footage after I did the color correction. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this whole tutorial on the DaVinci Resolve. So, hope to see you all in any other tutorial in the near future. Till then, take care and keep on practicing your video editing skill on the DaVinci Resolve.